Good.
Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Okay, so today we will to present about like or dislike plus simple reason. Before that, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Luputu Denutami. You can call me Dian, and my partner.
My name is Teresia Santika Limbong. You can call me Tere.
By the way, do you know the meaning of like and dislike in English? Okay, maybe some of you have used them in everyday conversation. Don't worry guys, today we will learn them together in a fun and relaxed way. So first, we can learn about expression of like. So expression of like is an expression used to show feeling or liking or interest towards something. The thing can be an object, place, food, activity, hobby, or many other things. Jadi expression of like ini adalah ekspresi atau ungkapan yang menyatakan rasa suka atau senang terhadap sesuatu. Nah, sesuatu ini dapat berupa benda, tempat, kegiatan, dan masih banyak lagi teman-teman. Some example of expression of like that we can use to express something we like include the following. Jadi beberapa contoh expression of like yang bisa kita gunakan untuk menyatakan suatu hal yang kita suka antara lain sebagai berikut. Jadi contohnya, for the example, first I like or love yang artinya aku suka. The second I really like or love yang artinya aku sangat suka. Third I enjoy yang artinya aku menikmati. Fourth I really enjoy yang artinya aku sangat menikmati. Dan the last one I am crazy about yang artinya aku tergila-gila dengan. Untuk mengungkapkan expression of like dalam sebuah kalimat, kita bisa menggunakan beberapa pola di bawah ini teman-teman. Yang pertama, first, subject plus like or likes plus object, noun or verb in. The second, subject plus love or love plus object, noun or verb in. The last one, subject plus to be is MR plus crazy about plus noun or verb in. Can someone raise your hand to read the example, please? Read. Tadi?
Okay, the example 1. I like playing football. 2. She likes chocolate. 3. Nadia really loves dancing. 4. I enjoy reading comics. And 5. My brother is crazy about collection action figures.
Okay, thank you. Please come here, tadi.
Next, expression of dislike. Expression of dislike is an expression that expresses dislike or displeasure towards something. Same with expression of like, this thing can be in the form of gods, activities, people, and many more. Nah, expression of dislike adalah ekspresi atau ungkapan yang menyatakan rasa tidak suka atau tidak senang terhadap sesuatu. Sama dengan expression of like, sesuatu itu bisa berupa barang, kegiatan, orang, dan masih banyak lagi. Nah, example expression of dislike, the first, I dislike or I don't like yang artinya aku tidak suka, I hate yang artinya aku benci, I don't think I like yang artinya aku pikir aku tidak suka, I don't enjoy yang artinya aku tidak menikmati, the last, I am not keen on yang artinya aku tidak tertarik pada. Nah, selanjutnya untuk pola kalimat expression of dislike sebenarnya hampir mirip dengan expression of like, di mana subjek diikuti dengan contoh expression of like, of dislike, lalu diikuti lagi dengan objek berupa kata benda atau kata kerja yang diberi akhiran ing. Expression of dislike sentence pattern. Subject plus dislike or dislikes plus object, noun verb ing. Subject plus don't like or doesn't like plus object, noun or verb ing. The last, subject or head or subject plus head or heads plus object atau noun verb ing. Nah, adapun contoh kalimat expression of dislike, yang pertama, she doesn't like coffee yang artinya dia tidak suka kopi. Yang kedua, I dislike doing exercise, yang artinya aku tidak suka berolahraga. Yang ketiga, Tony hates mathematics, yang artinya Tony membenci matematika. Yang keempat, I don't think I like spicy food, yang artinya aku pikir aku tidak suka makanan pedas. Yang terakhir, we can stand with moist goods, yang artinya aku tidak tahan dengan nyamuk.
Oke, next everyone. Tadi karena kita sudah belajar mengenai tentang cara mengekspresikan rasa suka dan tidak suka, sekarang kita harus menjelaskan apa alasan terhadap mengapa kita tidak suka dan suka terhadap sesuatu tersebut. Jadi kita akan belajar mengenai simple reason and preference. Simple reason is a simple explanation used to explain why someone likes or dislikes something. Yang artinya, simple reason ini adalah bagaimana cara mengungkapkan alasan kita kenapa kita tidak suka dan suka terhadap sesuatu. Nah, usually simple reason use the word because. Yang artinya, biasanya simple reason ini itu menggunakan kata because. Nah, adapun susunan pola kalimat yang dapat kita gunakan yaitu subject plus like or dislike plus object plus because plus reason. For the example, first, I like music because it is relaxing. Subjeknya adalah I, dan di sini dia menggunakan expression of like, yaitu like. Objeknya itu music, lalu dia menggunakan kata because, dan reasonnya itu it is relaxing, yang artinya dia itu suka musik karena merelaksasikan. The second, I don't like spicy food because it is too hot. Yang artinya subjeknya itu ada I, lalu dia menggunakan expression of dislike, lalu objeknya itu ada spicy food, dan reasonnya itu karena terlalu panas, yaitu it is too hot. The next, preference. Preference is used to show a choice or something that someone likes more than another thing. Jadi preference ini digunakan ketika ada dua pilihan objek yang dimana salah satu objek itu kita cenderung lebih sukai, teman-teman. Untuk formula preference itu ada subject plus prefer plus A plus to plus B. Nah, A and B ini adalah objek yang akan kita lebih pilih atau bandingkan. Untuk expression of preference ini dapat kita gunakan yaitu I prefer blank blank blank, and the last I like blank 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 better than blank blank blank. For the example, I prefer tea to coffee, yang artinya yaitu lebih memilih teh daripada coffee. And the last one, she prefer online classes to online classes, yang artinya dia perempuan itu lebih suka terhadap online class daripada offline class.
So next we will play a game. The name is Match a Topic and Reasons. How to play? We will give a marker to one of the students then it will be rotated from one person to another while singing together. When we say stop, a friend who is holding a marker must come forward and invite one of his friends. Then they will play mystery box.
Nah, maksudnya teman-teman, kita akan memberikan spidol ke salah satu teman, kemudian akan diputar dari satu orang ke orang lainnya sambil bernyanyi bersama. Ketika kita mengatakan stop, teman yang memegang spidol wajib maju ke depan dan mengajak satu orang temannya. Kemudian mereka akan bermain mystery box.
Wow, mystery box. What is that?
Next, box A contains a topic or object. Example, music, coffee, reading, online class, horror movie, and spicy food. And box B contains simple reasons. Example, because it is relaxing, because it is delicious, because it is boring, because it is exciting, because it is too hot, and the last because it makes me happy.
Jadi kota A itu adalah berisi tentang topik atau objek. Contohnya itu misalnya topiknya tentang musik, kopi, membaca, kelas online, film horor, dan makanan pedas. Lalu kota B berisi alasan sederhana. Contohnya karena itu santai, karena itu enak, karena itu membosankan, karena itu menarik, karena itu terlalu panas, dan karena itu membuatku bahagia.
Next instruction, one student takes one paper from box A, Another student takes one paper from box B. Then the student must make a sentence using the topic and the reasons. They can use like, dislike, prefer. Example, box A, music, and box B because it is relaxing. Sentence, I like music because it is relaxing.
Jadi seorang siswa mengambil satu kertas dari kotak A, lalu siswa lain itu mengambil satu kertas dari kotak B. Nah, kemudian para siswa itu harus membuat kalimat menggunakan topik dan alasannya. Jadi ini harus match ya teman-teman, karena di dalam kotak itu kita buat secara acak ya. Nah, lalu kemudian akan menggunakan kata suka, tidak suka, atau lebih suka. Nah, contohnya misalnya ada April yang mengambil kotak A, itu topiknya tentang musik. Lalu Desi mengambil kotak B, itu ada alasannya karena itu santai. Dan mereka itu harus menyambungkan atau membuat sebuah kalimat yaitu tentang saya suka musik karena itu menenangkan. Are you understand guys?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nanti di kotak ini kemungkinan jawaban dari kotak A tidak sesuai dengan kotak B, maka kalian harus memperbaikinya. Bisa teman-teman?
Kita akan nge-play musik dari YouTube ya teman-teman. Dari sisi
Kita baca aja bareng.
ready guys?
Bareng.
1, 2, 3. Erna, come here. Choose one partner.
Mana nih teman?
Nah, di sini kalian boleh mengambil masing-masing dari satu kotak. Bisa dibuka. Boleh.
Read guys.
Dari sini. Kamu kotak.
I like collecting useless things.
Because it is so dramatic.
How friends, does it make sense?
Apakah itu nyambung teman-teman?
Ulang.
I like collecting useless things. I like collecting useless things. I like collecting useless things.
Useless things.
Tidak. Because it is so too dramatic.
Not match.
Bagaimana bisa diperbaiki? Kamu buat alasan dari ini, dari Erna.
Okay.
Apa mau ganti lagi?
I like talking to myself.
Because life is all okay, right? Because life is already hard.
Bagaimana teman-teman?
This is match. No.
Bisa diperbaiki? Tapi kalau menurut kamu itu masuk akal buat diri kamu? Coba lagi.
Oke, yang Erna.
Gak apa-apa bahasa Indonesia.
Yang I like talking to myself.
Aku suka berbicara sendiri. Sedangkan aku, because life is already hard. Karena kehidupan itu sangat berat. Life.
It is match guys.
Yeah.
Clap your hands.
buat
I dislike umbrella.
I dislike umbrella.
Because it makes me cry.
Because it makes
Bagaimana?
It makes me cry.
So,
umbrella.
umbrella.
Ayo.
Bagaimana teman-teman? Oke, oke, oke. Next, round 3. Kasih ke Tina dong. Kasih ke Tina. Oh, dari kamu.
Apa? Dari aku.
Okay, guys.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ulang, 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 ulang.
Sudah itu lagi gak berat ya?
Ingat ya kalau misalnya
Skip. Sekarang please.
I like sleeping in class because it gives me a head haze. Because it gives me a head haze. Head hacik.
Guys. Sorry, can you make a simple reason?
Okay, I like sleeping in class because it's relaxing.
Silence please.
Thank you.
Okay, this is the last round, guys. Berarti dari Nanda. Biar ke depan ya. Nanda sama ya? Dari sana. Balik aja dari situ. Dari ke sini. Suara ke sini. Dari Dira nyambung ke sini.
Yang belakang mana lagi?
Ya, balik sana. Ya, ke
bisa
depan.
kalau bisa.
Tiga ronde lagi. One, two.
Wait. Shine. Bagaimana
Express
teman-teman?
or not?
I dislike sunshine.
Because it makes me
Tired.
Express or not? Okay.
Mau lanjut lagi atau lanjut ke materi? Materi. Oke, materi. Next. When do we use like and dislike? Expression of like and dislike can be used in various situations and contexts. Here are some common times to use these expressions. The first, when talking about personal preference for food, drink, or activities. Second, in everyday conversation to express like or dislike a topic or thing. 3. In comment when rating a product, film, book, and service. The last, in discussion or debates to express comments in the form or agreement or disagreement with a statement. Nah, expression of like and dislike dapat digunakan dalam berbagai situasi dan konteks. Berikut beberapa waktu yang tepat untuk penggunaan expression tersebut. Yang pertama, saat berbicara tentang preferensi pribadi terhadap makanan, minuman, dan aktivitas. Yang kedua, dalam percakapan sehari-hari untuk menyatakan suka dan tidak suka terhadap suatu topik atau hal. Yang ketiga, dalam komentar saat pemberian nilai untuk suatu produk, film, buku, dan layanan. Yang terakhir, dalam diskusi atau debat untuk mengungkapkan komentar berupa persetujuan atau ketidaksetujuan terhadap suatu pernyataan.
Alright everyone, here is an example of a dialogue using the expression of like, dislike, and separation. Tere and I will perform the dialogue in front of the class. So please pay close attention because there will be something special for you later. Good morning, Tere. How are you today?
Good morning, Dian. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing great too. By the way, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like listening to music because it makes me relaxing. What about you?
I like reading novels because they are interesting.
That's nice. Do you like coffee?
Not really. I prefer tea to coffee because tea is more calming. How about you?
I like coffee because it gives me energy, especially in the morning.
Haha, that's true. Is there something you dislike?
Yes, I don't like spicy food because it is too hot for me.
Same here. I also dislike waking up early because I feel sleepy all day.
Me too.
Alright. Thank you for the conversation, Tere.
You're welcome, Dian.
See you. Okay. Alright everyone, now we are going to move on the pair dialogue session. We will divide you into pairs. After that, each pair has to create a simple dialogue based on the chosen topics such as hobby, music, food, or study habit. Baik teman-teman, jadi sekarang kita akan masuk ke sesi pair dialog. Kami akan membagi kalian menjadi beberapa pasangan. Setelah itu setiap pasangan diminta membuat dialog sederhana sesuai topik yang sudah dipilih seperti hobi, musik, atau studi habit. In your dialogue, you must use 3 expressions of like, 1 expression of dislike, 1 simple reason using without. So, we will give you about 5 minutes to discuss and practice with your partner. After the time is over, some peers will perform their dialogue in front of the class. And don't be afraid of making mistake. The most important thing is to be confident and try to speak English. 3 ekspresi suka, 1 ekspresi tidak suka, dan menggunakan alasannya yaitu dengan menggunakan kata because. Nah, kami akan memberikan waktu sekitar 5 menit untuk berdiskusi dan berlatih bersama pasangan kalian. Are you ready, guys? Wait. I set the timer. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yes.
Cari teman kalian.
Boleh? Write in the paper. Or typing in handphone. No. Two minutes left. 2 minutes left.
Balik aja.
Okay, time is up, guys. Would anyone like to volunteer or shall I pick someone?
Pick someone.
Pick someone.
Yes.
Maybe Nanda? Nanda?
What?
Here. Conversation. With Yeah.
Hello, Rosita. Oh, we meet again, and I want to ask you, what's your hobby? Wow, reading novel? Why you like reading novel? Me too. I would like reading novel. And what's your one? Why? Because it's so heartwarming. And I will ask you what the genre novel you almost read.
I like dream and thriller, action, because it's how about you? What do you read?
Oh, I like the novel genre with politics and human rights. The expression of life.
Baru dua. Ini kan it's like Eric.
And what genre you don't like?
I don't like romance. I just don't like it.
Okay. Okay, goodbye. See you next time.
Oh, goodbye. Give ya, balik.
There's a gift. Kasih tepuk tangan, guys. Maybe April. April. Come here with your partner. Who is your partner?
Come on, baby.
There are you. There are you.
Ya, apa sih?
Okay, eyes on me guys. Hi.
Saya ya, saya. Hai, Tante.
Ya, nothing
Yes, I do. I like it because the place is clean and comfortable.
I don't really like studying there
Why do you like it?
because I feel bored when the atmosphere is quiet. I prefer studying at the cafe.
Oh, I see. I dislike music place because I cannot focus.
That makes sense. Everyone has different preferences.
Yes, the important thing is we can study with. Sudah.
Okay. Thank you for April and Putari.
Okay, thank you.
The last is
Bisa.
What about you?
I'm fine too. What are you doing lately?
Lately I've been like reading some of books.
What the genre do you usually read?
Especially romance and horror genres.
Oh, that's great. I like that genre too.
Oh, okay. And then what about you? What the music have you been listening to lately?
I heard the Promise song from Melvin.
Oh, that's a great song. For me, music from lately mostly have the sad genres.
Yeah, it's okay. Everyone has their taste.
Okay.
Okay.
The last partner is Gaga.
Gangga.
Gaga bisa permen nanti. Okay, ready?
Hi Ganga, how are you? Hi Bayu, I'm fine. Thank you. And how about you? I'm fine too. Can I ask you something? Sure. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is fried rice. I like fried rice because it is delicious.
That's nice. I like to pizza because it is tasty.
Pizza is good. Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I good. I like ice cream because it is sweet and refreshing.
Me too. Ice cream is my favorite dessert.
Is there and food and is there and food do you think like?
Yes, I don't like bitter vegetables because they taste bitter.
I understand. Everyone has different taste.
That's right. Thank you for the conversation.
Okay, you're welcome. See you later.
See you.
Yay!
Thank you.
Thank you for the participant guys. This is the last game. So now we are going to move on the practice season. We will divide you into 4 groups. After that, each group has to work on the questions shown on the PPT together. We will give you about 5 minutes to discuss and complete the task. Later, the group that finishes the fastest and give the correct answer will be the winner. So work well with your group member and do your best, everyone. Maybe Sisi sama April, ya sama Dan.
Grup.
Grupnya. Di grup 1.
Kita bagi jadi 4 grup.
Di grup 1.
Berbaris gitu.
Ya.
Ya karena mereka berdua ya, jadi Sisi sama Pisa, sama April, sama Gesi, sama Ari, Tia ke belakang. Gak mungkin kan berdua? Mau berdua?
Write in the paper ya guys. Jadi kalian tinggal pilih, ada di sini word boxnya. Kalian tinggal pilih itu aja. Cocokin. Yes, one paper for one group.
Bisa. Boleh bergabung guys?
Boleh gabung guys. Ini grup 1, yang di belakang grup 2, 3, 4. 5 minutes. Oh, 50.
Iya.
Yes.
Tulis pamfletnya.
Yes, yes. Cool, cool. I do like you, bro. I like you too.
1 minute.
Okay, time is up, guys. Time is up, guys. Satu orang dalam satu grup tuh maju ke depannya, bacain hasilnya. Halo. Hai. Maju satu orang, satu grup.
Grup 1 orang.
Grup 1 orang. Bukan grup.
Habis lah.
Maju. Cepet. Maju sayang. Maju. Group 2 and group 3.
Group 3.
Group 2.
Group 2.
Oh, wah.
Group 2.
Tolong.
Tulis nanti.
Soalnya dikumpul sampai mau pecahnya.
Lari anjir.
Pricing apa? Buat bacanya. Tapi nanti tetap
Nih, tetap terus kertas.
listnya banyak.
Group 2.
Group 2.
Wait a minute.
Dia ada 1 minute.
Please appreciate the answer.
Okay, number one, I like
because it is fun.
It's fun. Okay. Number two.
Number two, I don't like movies because it is boring.
I don't like online classes because it is boring.
Okay. Group three.
Bacain aja.
I don't like online
Gak kelas because it is boring.
I don't like online classes because it is boring.
Next, 3.
I prefer tea to coffee because it is more relaxing.
Sama loh.
Next.
I prefer tea to coffee because it is more relaxing.
Okay.
Next.
I prefer tea to coffee. Coffee is more relaxing.
I prefer tea to coffee because it is more relaxing.
Okay. Fourth question.
My favorite activity is studying at night because it is fun.
Okay.
My favorite activity is reading because it is fun.
Next.
My favorite activity is fun.
My favorite activity is reading because it is fun.
Okay. Afrin.
I enjoy music because it makes me happy.
I enjoy movies because it makes me happy. I enjoy movies because it makes me happy.
Okay. Next.
Belum.
Itu dah.
I enjoy relaxing because it makes me happy.
I dislike online class because they are boring.
I dislike online classes because they are boring.
I dislike online classes because they are boring.
I dislike movies because they are boring.
Okay. Next question.
I love coffee because it is delicious.
I love spicy food because it is delicious.
I love spicy food because it is delicious.
I love spicy food because it is delicious.
Okay. I prefer studying at night because it is quieter.
I prefer studying at night because it is fun.
I prefer studying at night because it is quieter.
I prefer studying at night because it is quieter.
I don't like spicy food because it is too hot.
I don't like spicy food because it is too hot.
I don't like coffee because it is too hot.
I don't like coffee because it is too hot.
I really like music because it is relaxing.
I really like music because it is relaxing.
I really like reading because it is stressful.
Okay.
Hai.
So the fastest answer is group 1.
Mohon excited guys, mohon excited. Hey.
Makasih ya, Miss.
Group 3.
Cuma Lupi.
The last group.
Aku yang biru, aku yang marah. Beda.
Hai guys.
Okay. Our presentation this morning has to come to end. Thank you to everyone who listened and participated. We hope the material we presented was clear and easy to understand. Thank you for your attention.